As families across West Africa rediscover the profound joy of dressing with unity and elegance, the Ankara Midi dress has become a versatile symbol of cultural dignity and celebration. One of the most compelling aspects of this fashion renaissance is how seamlessly the Ankara Midi style transitions between occasions. In a region where family ties are honored and every gathering holds deep meaning, having clothing that respects tradition while embracing modern flair is essential. The mother's wardrobe, in particular, demonstrates this harmony with a refreshing sophistication. For a weekday church service or a weekend Thanksgiving celebration, she steps out in a midi dress that reflects her role as both nurturer and style matriarch. Soft pastel Ankara prints in peach, sky blue, or lavender come to life through gentle tailoring. Rounded necklines, delicate bishop sleeves, and empire waistlines create silhouettes that are flattering without being tight. These dresses often include fine pleats or a second layer of organza to offer graceful movement, while matching modest head wraps bring the look together with serene beauty. When it comes to naming ceremonies or family photo shoots, the Ankara Midi dress adopts a more festive personality. Bright hues such as citrus orange, fuchsia pink, or ocean teal make bold statements, while the cuts remain respectful and modest. Designers are incorporating illusion sleeves with Ankara appliques, high Victorian-inspired collars, and layered peplum skirts that add structure and femininity without sacrificing comfort. Mothers feel radiant in these designs, knowing they are fully covered yet beautifully presented. The look is completed with matching clutches and comfortable wedge shoes, making it easy to move through hours of activity with both dignity and ease. On the other hand, fathers attending these same occasions are choosing mid-length Ankara tunics in complementary prints. A mustard yellow and navy Ankara print, for example, might be interpreted into a sharp, knee-length tunic with minimal embroidery and paired with slim-fit trousers. Designers are favoring breathable cottons and soft waxed fabrics that drape naturally and withstand hours of wear. Some include hidden zippers at the shoulder or side for easier dressing, a feature appreciated by older fathers who still want to look distinguished without complication. Accessories are minimal: a simple leather sandal, a woven hat, or a narrow bracelet in copper or brass. These understated yet impactful choices remind everyone of the deep strength and wisdom held by the African father. Sons are enjoying a renewed sense of style as well, with Ankara becoming part of their daily wear in fun and age-appropriate designs. Parents and designers are moving away from overly formal looks for boys and instead embracing charming details like pocketed tunics, embroidered chest panels, and contrast cuffs. A boy may wear a green and yellow print shirt with small wooden buttons and rolled sleeves, tucked into dark khaki shorts for a polished but playful appearance. For church or family events, he may switch to tailored trousers and a matching hat made from the same Ankara fabric. The overall effect is wholesome, handsome, and proudly rooted in tradition. Daughters have always been central to West African fashion, and the 2025 Ankara Midi dress trend offers them delightful ways to match with their mothers while expressing their own innocence and charm. Designers are offering midi dresses in two-tone Ankara, often combining floral and geometric patterns for a playful mix. Bodices feature ruffled bibs or gentle smocking, while the skirts twirl with every step. Some styles come with detachable sashes that can be tied into bows at the waist or shoulder, allowing little girls to enjoy their dresses in different ways. For formal occasions, soft tulle underskirts or embellished collars elevate the dress into something fit for a princess. Mothers and daughters walking side by side in these outfits become symbols of elegance and generational pride. One of the most celebrated events where coordinated Ankara Midi styles shine brightest is the traditional wedding. In West Africa, weddings are more than the union of two people. They are sacred festivals of family, honor, and joy. For the mother of the bride, the Ankara Midi dress must strike a perfect balance between modest grandeur and vibrant festivity. A deep magenta and gold Ankara print with swirling motifs may be fashioned into a midi dress with dramatic layered bell sleeves, a structured square neckline, and a full skirt lined with gold trim. The look is bold yet modest, commanding attention without revealing skin. Matching accessories, geli, fan, clutch, and shoes complete the regal effect. Meanwhile, the father of the bride wears a matching magenta Ankara tunic with golden embroidery at the collar and down the front, paired with crisp white trousers and elegant slip-on shoes. For siblings and children at such weddings, designers are focusing on balance and charm. Little girls might wear midi frocks in the same fabric as their mothers but with puff sleeves, lace collars, and gently flared skirts. Boys may don Ankara waistcoats over plain white shirts and black trousers, giving them the look of miniature groomsmen. The coordinated family style not only enhances the aesthetic of wedding photos but also reinforces the unity and pride of the entire household. Beyond formal occasions, Ankara Midi dresses are finding their place in everyday life. Market visits, school ceremonies, and casual family outings now include beautifully styled but comfortable Ankara outfits. For mothers, a relaxed-fit midi dress in teal and white with subtle pleats and an attached belt becomes a go-to choice for midweek errands. Paired with flat sandals and a straw bag, the look is modest, breezy, and unmistakably elegant. Fathers, too, are embracing more relaxed Ankara shirts in abstract prints or muted tones, often worn untucked over plain trousers with loafers. The message is clear: one does not need an occasion to dress with pride. Daughters are now wearing Ankara Midi dresses to school events and weekend outings, choosing softer prints in lilac, mint green, or sky blue. Some styles feature tiered ruffle skirts and side pockets, while others incorporate lace overlays or butterfly sleeves for a fairy tale feel. Boys, dressed in Ankara-lined hoodies or patchwork tunics, mirror their fathers in comfort and confidence. As families walk together through parks, churchyards, or marketplaces, they carry with them a subtle but powerful declaration of identity, modesty, and unity. As Ankara continues to evolve, designers are also creating mix-and-match collections that allow each family member to express their individuality while maintaining the group aesthetic. A mother may wear a deep green and yellow floral midi dress with bishop sleeves and a ruched bodice, while her daughter wears the same print with capped sleeves and a bow-tied back. The father might wear a solid tunic in deep green with a strip of Ankara across the chest, and the son may sport a yellow short-sleeve shirt with Ankara cuffs. These looks are less about identical matching and more about visual harmony. It's an evolution that reflects modern West African values, respecting tradition while embracing the freedom to personalize.